G'day guys. Something just rolled up. I bet you don't know what it is. I bet you want to know what it is. And I'm going to be doing a unboxing of this box, and we'll say that it is the thing that is being talked about by everyone in the detecting community right now. So I will definitely be doing an unboxing of this today, and yeah, it's going to be quite interesting. But I'm going to put this video up, see if anybody can guess what it is. So if you guess what it is, maybe there's some sort of I don't know, what could I give away or something if you guess it right. I don't know, maybe everyone will guess it right and I'll be giving away the farm. I don't know. But yeah, that's rolled up, and yeah, we'll pull that out and yeah, give it a bit of a cut through with a little blade on the tape and pop it open. Yeah, I'm raving on too much now. This is just a teaser. This is just a teaser, because the next video that I'll be putting up will be something of the real deal. I just got to get this over the 2-minute mark so I can put it up as a video. But we're at 150. We're getting there. So yeah, we'll see what pops out of this box. So it will be quite interesting. There we go. 2 minutes. Catches.